In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're trading lower today. Crude futures trading lower for a third consecutive session. Today we're looking at the futures market down almost 2% on the day, currently priced at 57.85, off the intraday lows, but still lower on the session. And with today's price action, we are now trading down to a 1-month low. Driving factors, it appears that the primary driver appears to be a shifting dynamic in geopolitical tensions. There are discussions now that there's a potential initiative between Ukraine and Russia. World leaders are getting involved, and there's a possibility that there could be some movement there. So that, in theory, is the sentiment has shifted towards a lower level of geopolitical tensions, and that seems to be the primary driver as to why we're continuing to see the selling pressure here in the WTI space really over the past month. Now, when you look at the general trends, we are seeing a series of lower highs and lower lows from those highs that we did see in the middle of October. So maintaining some downward pricing pressure here for the past month. Also, we did have the Baker Hughes rig count today, and we did see an uptick in active rigs week over week by 2, both in the oil patch and the gas patch. So we did see an increase on both levels there on a week over week basis. Looking at natural gas, we are seeing a divergence there, though. Higher price action, and today's price action, we're looking at natural gas up about 3% on the day, moving back towards those recent highs, which correspond with the highest levels for 2025, currently priced at 4.63 in the futures market, which is just a couple of cents below the closing high that we did just see just a couple of weeks ago. So we're maintaining upward price action and momentum in the natural gas space, but also seeing lower price action with WTI now dipping down to a 1-month low.